Now we show the method of Rekey Keynox 75/40 CS. Unlock the padlock. Remove the Allen screw. Knock the position pin from the cylinder. Turn the cylinder 180 degrees. Take out the cylinder from the padlock body. Remove the top pin and spring. Put in the top pin followed by spring into the Rekey tools. Press the spring into the Rekey tools by the blade. Put in the Rekey tools into the padlock body. Remove the blade. Turn the Rekey tools at the correct pinning hole position. Put the blade to press the spring into the pinning hole and turn the Rekey tools. Slot in the pin holder and remove Rekey tools. Remove the original pin. Rekey the cylinder. Put in cylinder into padlock body and turn the cylinder at the correct position. Remove the pin holder. Knock the position pin into the cylinder and put in the Allen screw. Allen screw. Rekey of 75/40 CS is completed.